Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on voice messages on your account on Discord on your role settings. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click roles and click here. After this click permissions and now you will find here send voice messages. Click on it and click save, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.